how to make round shaped picture in CV of MS Word. So if you want to make a round shaped picture on your CV in MS Word, then first you just need simply open up your Word application. After that, select your document in which you would like to add your picture. For example, I'll just simply go with this template, go with create, and here it already has a circle shaped picture, right? But if you don't have the picture right here, and if you want to add, then you can go with insert, which is on the upper left, and here you need to go with pictures and go with this device and select a picture. After selecting, you can go with insert, and once you've selected the picture, now it's not in a circle shape, right? So if you want to just make this picture in a circle shape, you need to go with crop, which is on the upper right. First, make sure to select the picture, go with crop, and once you go with crop, you can just simply crop the picture as you want. And after cropping, now you can again go with crop, select the picture, again go with crop, and here you will have crop to shape, and you can select the circle shape. So here you will have the circle one. So select the circle. You can also select this circle. Now after selecting circle, you can just adjust it. And that's it. That's how you can make a circle picture on your CV in MS Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.